Today, we will walk through the step-by-step account onboarding process for Giraffe Markets. First, search for Giraffe Markets on Google and open giraffemarkets.com. Here is the main page containing platform details, trading information, and features. To begin registration, locate and click the Client Login button at the top right. If you have an account, enter your email and password to sign in. To create a new account, click Sign Up and enter your desired username, name, and email. Create a secure password that includes both uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Get Started to submit your registration, then proceed to log in. Check your inbox for a verification email from Giraffe Markets and click Verify your email address. Once verified, log in and fill out your personal profile, including selecting your nationality. Complete the remaining address fields, enter your mobile number, and select your U.S. citizenship status. Next is document verification. Under Proof of Identity, select National ID and click Browse. Upload a clear photo of the front of your ID card, for example, Aadhaar card. For proof of residence, select the third-party option and upload the back of your ID showing your address. Click Next to finish. Review takes 10 to 15 minutes, after which your approved account is ready to fund. Navigate to My Wallet from the left menu. You can easily deposit funds into your account using USDT. Select Match to, Pay, enter your deposit amount, for example, $100, and choose your crypto network like BEP20. Confirm the details to generate a payment QR code and deposit address to finalize your funding. Your funds are now added, showing successful approval. Let's move to transfer funds from this menu. Under the Account Transfer menu, you can see options like Deposit, Withdraw, and Fund Transfer. Enter the amount you want to shift to your trading account, for instance, $100, and confirm the transfer. Navigate to the My Wallet section and click Deposit Funds to view the updated $100 balance. Next, go to the My Account menu and select Create Account to set up a live trading account. Review the available account options. Select the Standard Account type and enter your account name. Select Standard Type, your wallet currency, and pick the account option that matches your balance requirements. Make sure your deposit meets the minimum requirement. Input $100, check the confirmation box, and click Create Account. Your live trading account has been successfully created. Your MetaTrader login number and server details are shown here. Download the MT5 trading platform for your device. Then log in using the credentials sent to your registered email. Head back to the main dashboard to see a summary of your account number, balance, equity, and features. Under Actions, select View to pull up your dynamic leverage status, historical analytics, and active trade fields. You can also click the Settings key under Actions if you ever need to change your platform password. Once your MT5 link is set up, you can see the matching $100 balance instantly updated on the dashboard summary. If you ever need to retrieve money, select Fund Transfer from the Wallet menu to move it back to your primary balance. Go to Withdraw Funds, select USDT, type in the desired withdrawal amount, and pick Match to Pay. Select your wallet address from the list. If you haven't added one, click Add Crypto Address to save it. Check the I agree to proceed box and submit. Withdrawals typically process within 15 minutes to 2 hours. Under the Trading Services side panel, you can download the MT5 installer or check your statements. In the Statements menu, you can view your investor account details, trading history, and records. Thank you.